The highly contagious Delta variant has prompted a new surge of COVID-19 around the US, leading officials in some areas to reverse what had been a months-long trend of loosening restrictions. 6.13%. That's what the US COVID testing positivity rate has risen to, according to the Mayo Clinic. That's more than triple what the positivity rate was in mid-June, when it was around 1.65%. The CDC confirmed last week that the highly contagious Delta variant had become the dominant COVID-19 strain in the US, leading to renewed calls for the unvaccinated to get their shots. According to the CDC, nearly 68% of adults in the US have had at least one COVID shot, but the vaccination rate varies largely across the country. Mississippi has the lowest rate, with only around 37% of residents having received one shot. That's an especially concerning figure since State Health Officer Dr. Thomas Dobbs tweeted this week that Delta makes up pretty much all cases in Mississippi. Health officials across the US are also concerned about the high levels of vaccine hesitancy among young people, since the Delta variant appears to cause more severe COVID cases in young people than other strains. Vaccines still seem to be highly effective at warding off infection from the Delta variant, but high rates of transmission have sparked concerns there could be more breakthrough cases, COVID-19 cases among the fully vaccinated. World Health Organization officials said last month that fully vaccinated people should wear masks and practice social distancing in public to combat the Delta variant, but the CDC disagrees. CDC guidance says only unvaccinated people need to mask up, while the fully vaccinated can largely return to their prepandemic lifestyles. Return of COVID restrictions. Mississippi tells seniors to avoid big gatherings, regardless of vaccine status. Forbes. Orlando recommending even fully vaccinated wear masks indoors as COVID-19 cases surge amid summer travel boom. Forbes. Infectious Delta variant is now the dominant COVID strain in US, CDC says. Forbes. WHO urges fully vaccinated people to continue wearing masks as Delta variant spreads. But no word from CDC, Forbes.